Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com. I'm the founder and creator of the She Makes Club, and I'm really excited for a brand new launch drop over at erincondren.com that's happening today, September 27th, 2022. They always are coming out with the most beautiful and amazing new, innovative, and functional things for our lives, for our everyday planning lives, as well as our offices and home decor, and so much more. I'm a huge, ever-loving fan of Erin Condren and the life planners. And now we have some really cool new things like the Colorblends monthly planner and a whole bunch of new things. So I am going to show you what came in my box sent to me from Erin Condren as a AC Squad ambassador. And I'm really excited to share this with you, including these two beauties right here, not limited to, but are the EttaVee collection art and everything not completely gorgeous. This is the new family planner. Have you guys seen this yet? The family organizer book, family planner, is life. I can't wait to show you all the details inside. And oh yeah, by the way, how about our new yearly Softbound life planners? This is the vertical life planner, which I show and use all the time here at Above Ruby Studio and by ByMeganElizabeth.com. And the She Makes Club for doing the daily threes and so much more. So now there's a softbound version, which I know, especially my left-handed friends, love more than anything. They're beautiful. They look amazing on the bookshelf. Let's dive in and take a look at all that we got.
We're gonna kick it off. I love the box that it comes in. It's always so fun to get the Erin Condren beautiful boxes delivered to the front door. So let's open it up and take a look at all of the beauties that are inside. Getting right into it, we see the bubble wrap, and I had no idea what I was getting into opening this, and I cannot wait to see everything that is inside to share with you. This is so exciting to see the new Harmony Colorful Writing Tool Variety Pack, the new vegan leather planner tabs. This sticker book by month is gorgeous. This color blend pocket planner is life. A soft bound horizontal layout life planner, the EttaVee horizontal or vertical life planner. Oh, so exciting. I love this Colorblends acrylic stand. You can see I use my acrylic stands for everything. I love them. I have the floral one. It sits on my desk. I use this every single day, so it's super helpful to have another one, especially with the Colorblends 2023. Oh my gosh, the family organizer book in the Harmony Colorful. How awesome is this? Cannot wait to start using this family organizer. It's going to be amazing. A desk planner, which is a desk pad with a hardback with my weekly layout on it. So great for keeping notes and just those quick jot down things of a glance of what's coming ahead. So let's take a deeper look at everything. Let's open it up. So we'll start with this weekly desk calendar. It's so great. You can just flip through. They're perforated pages. It's a nice, solid, hard stripe. I love that it really isn't going to get like messed up too easily. Let's take a closer look now at our EttaVee Vertical Life Planner. This is gorgeous, my friends. You know I love the Vertical Life Planner, but this is the new Softbound with the EttaVee design. So I really am appreciating this gorgeous artwork that is done through here in this collaboration. It's a little different than the Erin Condren color blends or the Harmony colorful that you've seen. This is such a beautiful, great option. And this is that everything we love about Erin Condren, the 80-pound text weight paper. This is all 12 months of the 2023 year. You have those pages that are all designed, that monthly layout spread, and then that Erin Condren dashboard, and then that vertical layout, which is so great for doing the daily threes, goal tracking, so many different things, and then gorgeous colors for each and every month of the year. So as you flip through, you'll see the beautiful quotes and artwork throughout, and even the bookmark that's in there, so helpful. But then the color theme for each and every month as well, with that EttaVee artwork throughout and those quotes that are amazing. So with the Softbound planner, you can use those vegan leather tabs to keep things, organized and easy for you to quick turn to, or just use the bookmark, whatever you prefer. And then those note pages in the back are always so very helpful. And then a glance at the 2024 year, which that makes me almost want to gasp just to say that. So here's those vegan leather tabs. to take a closer look at those. I'll pull them out of the packaging for you. But each color of those vegan tabs go along with the color theme of each month. So if you look through, you'll see January goes with that teal color and so forth. Let's take a closer look now at the Softbound Life Planner in the weekly planner system. So again, it's the same kind of situation here. This is done in the colorful Harmony. So you'll see a little bit more. It's almost like the ripped tissue paper kind of feel throughout the glance at the goals for the year, and then each color for January on, all in that theme. And then you have the horizontal layout, which is nice. I like to use this for more content planning with the horizontal layout versus my daily threes, which is really great. And then there's still that quote at the beginning of the year, and they're just kind of seeing that the pink goes with February, the teal goes with January, and so forth. And you can see that throughout. The blush soft planner here is the 5.8 by 8.25, so it's the smaller planner size, which is nice to have the variety in sizes available to us in both the coil and the softbound planners. So just kind of flipping through so that you can really see each month and the colors that go with the Harmony, and then just that, again, that gold foil that is on the outside pages, the outer edge, I think is so classy, really elevates the planner look. And honestly, I think it does look a little bit more professional than the coil, although I'm forever a coil girl. I do like my interchangeable covers in the coil. And then, of course, there's that calendar in the back as well as the notebook pages. So closer look at that gold, just so pretty and great to be able to have. So whether you like the larger or the smaller, it's really great. And if you really want to get compact, let's take a look at the Colorblends Pocket Life Planner or calendar. This is great because it is so compact. You do have the calendar look. You have the full month at a glance. And then you have the Erin Condren dashboard and notes page with each month, which is so helpful. And then every single day for all 365 days of the year, have a very nice lined out area for keeping track of appointments, notes. This is great as a health tracker as well. So if you want to keep track of what you're eating or your steps or different things throughout the day, it's a great compact little thing to go right in the pocket or pocketbook. And then there's awesome note pages in the back as well as the ribbon bookmark. Cannot wait to show you the Celebrate Each Day sticker book. Oh my gosh. This is edition 8 of the designer sticker books, and it's the monthly collection. And each and every month, the colors go along with the month. And there's a sticker for every month. So there you see January, the pink with the February, the mint with the March, and so on and so forth. And these stickers are incredible. If you get nothing else from the new launch, I definitely say run and get these, because these can go in notebooks, they can go in your scrapbooking. The themes are gorgeous to have the tabs, the tags, the things that kind of go with the season. The colors are amazing. They really go with all the different planners. Here's September. Oh, I love all this. October, here's some like Halloween-y type things. The designs are just awesome. I love the November kind of frosty feel. It's really different. I like it a lot. And then December, you get the greens and things in there. So very, very cool. Really love this a lot. Cannot wait to use it in my planners. Let's take a closer look now at the variety pack of writing tools. You're going to get 6 dual tip markers, which we love, and 6 chisel tip highlighters. So it's 12 pens, markers, writing utensils in all in the Harmony Colorful. Gorgeous. So the dual tip has that fine point and the medium tip pen, which you've seen me use, but this is in that new kind of Harmony design, which is so great to have. The colors that you're going to get in here, the one that I'm holding right now, is the color raspberry. And then we also have orchid, cherry blossom, robin, lagoon, and sapphire. That's the sapphire. I actually thought it was black when I first opened it up, but it is the sapphire color. So you're getting one of each. So you'll be able to do the fine tip, the medium tip, and then that chisel tip all in the same color. And they do have these also available if you're more into the florals available too. So let's take a closer look. I'm going to grab the weekly writing pad, and I'm just going to write these different things out. So there's the fine tip, And I'm just going to write the different ones down. So that's cherry blossom. You can see it's pretty light. Here is, am I doing orchid there? Yes, orchid. And we have a lagoon. And we have robin. So I'm just writing in a different thing. So I like to write my notes with the fine tip, of course. Like that's what I go to. Now I'm going to grab the highlighters and just do the highlighter right underneath each color for each one. I just kind of wanted to see how the highlighters really looked. I feel like the sapphire is really, really dark, so it feels like it's more of a cross out. You can see it doesn't bleed through, which is really, really great. I love that about Erin Condren. And then a really fun way or an easy way to be taking your notes. So I'm just kind of like writing things in just to kind of play and to see. One of the things that is a really great tip is if you do a little like check marker of a to-do list kind of thing, if you do the little circles, one of the great tips that I have learned through the years is writing the list, having the circle beside it, crossing it out when it's completely done, but just doing a check mark in the box next to it or the circle next to it to say that it's in progress. It keeps your motivation going. It keeps you seeing that you are actively doing things, because I feel like there's nothing worse than just seeing a to-do list that hangs out and nothing's done. So hopefully that's helpful for you. If you want to go check out everything, come on over and visit https://sheplans. This is my link to Erin Condren to get you a $10 EC Insider, $10 off your first order, or your order if you're not already an EC Insider. You can earn points and earn all kinds of cashback bonuses. It's great. And here's a closer look at some of the different things. And there's even fun chances to win extra discounts and prizes. But the bundles that they offer for this 2023 launch is incredible. Here's that Colorblends monthly deluxe calendar. I've used this in the past. I think it's great because there's extra notebook pages. I've shared it before. I love that they're doing it in Colorblends, and you can see there's so many different things here over on the Erin Condren website that you can check out and enjoy under all the new and best sellers. Just click on what's new and it will show you all those writing pens, the desk calendar. There's that acrylic stand. We even have the new A-ring agenda covers. So there's beautiful things there. Come check us out. I hope that you enjoy the moments today. Visit us over at shemakes.club, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and share. And if you want to leave a comment, I would love to connect with you. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.